Ever wonder what the recent Supreme Court ruling means for Trump and who stands to benefit from it? Well, let's dive right in. The Supreme Court recently refused to block the release of documents from the Trump White House to the House January 6 committee. This decision opens the door for the committee to further scrutinize the events that led up to and occurred during the Capitol attack. Now, Trump has made previous attempts to shroud his involvement, but this ruling is seen as a significant setback for him. It's like the High Court just handed him a bitter pill to swallow. These documents aren't just your run-of-the-mill paperwork, folks. They include schedules, speech and call logs, even handwritten notes from the former White House Chief of Staff, Mark Meadows. This ruling, in essence, empowers the committee to uncover the truth about the violence on January 6th, a day that has left an indelible mark in our nation's history. And here's the kicker. Trump had been trying to avoid this kind of scrutiny and had lost similar cases in district and appellate courts. The Supreme Court didn't rule on the legal question of executive privilege, but rather allowed an appellate court ruling to stand. This ruling closes off one avenue of Trump's legal strategy to delay the investigation before the midterm elections. Now let's dive into the impact of this ruling on Trump and who stands to gain from it. The Supreme Court's decision adds a layer of legitimacy to the Select Committee, giving it a much-needed boost in its race against time to complete its work before a potential Republican majority could pull the plug. The committee now has access to first-hand information about Trump's actions on January 6th and has the power to subpoena phone records from Eric Trump and Kimberly Guilfoyle. This will enable them to investigate any potential coordination between Trump's team and rally organizers. However, it's important to note that the decision is unlikely to reshape the politics of the insurrection. Many Republicans have attempted to whitewash Trump's role, and this ruling may not change their perspective, but it does shed light on the truth and holds those responsible accountable for their actions. This Supreme Court ruling is a significant development, with potential implications for Trump's political and legal future. Whether it will bring about justice or merely stir the political pot further, only time will tell.